we're going to go over tonight is going to be default parameters in ES5 versus ES6. So in ES5 we used to do this like this. For instance, we have a function. I'm gonna call it data, and inside of it I'm going to have the parameter, let's say A. Okay, then after that, I'm sorry about that, let's say if I want to give this a default parameter, I would do A equals A, and then let's say empty. Okay, and then I'm gonna console log the result of A. Okay, so if I call the function data and I do not pass a value, I get empty when I print it out because it's looking over here. Okay, he didn't pass any data, so what do I do with A? Assign the empty value. Now if I pass like a 20 and I print that out again, I get 20. So you see, in ES6 this is super simple and it makes more sense. If I have the same function data and I have A, all that I have to do is assign the word empty, the string, to the variable A, and console that. So if I call data and I say no parameters and I call that, I get empty. But if I pass 20, I get that result. Okay guys, this is a simple tutorial. I hope you have a great night. I'll see you soon. Bye.